Welcome back to PMR. Today we have the Magbak Elite case. It'll fit your iPhone 16 Pro Max. This case is packed full of features. A built-in kickstand so you can put it on portrait mode and landscape. A finger loop for more grip that can tuck in so it doesn't get in the way of your wireless charging. Swappable buttons, camera bezel and finger loop. And another nice feature, you have this telescoping magnets that pops out so you can put it on metal surfaces. It even comes with a screen protector and a box for easy install. In case you want to save 15%, we'll put a link or discount code below. We do want to thank Magbak for sending this product and sponsoring this video. We'll put a link down below for the updated prices, your barcode or serial number, so let's open it. Right when you open it, you got the screen protector, instruction on how to install it, screen protector accessories, alcohol pad, a mag stick. Then we have your Elite case. You have a nice silicone texture in there, so it gives you a little bit more of that grip. Take out this little instruction guide. Starting from the top, going on the side, you got the on and off button and a cutout for the camera control. You have silicone ribs for more grip, it does help. Opposite side, you got the plastic action buttons, volume rockers, and more side grips. Holes for the lanyard on both sides at the bottom. Speaker cutout that matches the phone. That's nice, meaning one is longer than the other. We'll show you that later. And check this out. You actually have like kind of like a dust cover here. And technically you can use it as a pinky pillow too to kind of hold the phone, make it a little bit more comfortable for long use. 3 telescoping magnets, meaning if you put this on a flat surface or a metal surface, this pops out to give it more of a grip or a hold. So we have a magnet here. So if I pull this, all 3 of them pops out. Camera bezels that can be swappable to other colors, and I do like this feel here. It's radius and it's round enough that it doesn't dig into my fingers. A loop grip for one of your fingers. You could just kind of pop it out this way. Added more grip. And a kickstand so you can watch it both portrait and landscape mode. To replace the bezels and the buttons, you just push it out. Pop this one out. Inside of the case, you got this suede felt lining so it doesn't have to scratch your phone. Magbak Elite name in the middle, and this is where you change the finger loop. You just take it out from here. You got the straps. You can just take it out from there. You can also change the side grips. You can just pop this out as well. This one's a little bit tricky to pop out. Just kind of use something to pry tool to pop it out. Just take this off. It's for the side grips, and it's on both sides. You do have air pockets on each corner that would help absorb shocks from drop protection. I believe it's around 6 feet. And there's a cutout on top so it doesn't block your speakers. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's also available for the Pro, the Plus, and the 16. Grab the case and your phone. I put at the bottom first. I sandwich it with my both thumbs till there's little to no space left. Then I just squeeze. This is what it looks like with the phone. Nice stealthy black look. Feels good on the hand. It is grippy on this texture already, plus with this added ribs here, definitely more hold. So when I'm putting it down, yeah, it's a big help. Let's check out those buttons. Oh yeah, very clicky. Action and volume rockers, the same. It's clicky. Then you got the cutout for the camera control. We haven't put the screen protector yet, but even without it, as you can see, the lip is still high enough that it will protect your phone. Check out that kickstand. Go ahead and just pop it out. Put it on landscape and also portrait. Then let's try that finger loop. This one helps out a lot because most of the time you have your phone, it's pretty big. With that loop grip in the back, gives you a better hold. Fit my index, middle finger, technically your thumb too. It's not coming off because it's being held by that phone in the case. You can hold it this way. There you go. See, now you can reach it. It's such a big plus for us because this helps out a lot. What's really nice about this is that you can put this kind of pretty much flush so you can still wireless charge. Let's go check if it's flush enough to wireless charge. There you go. Because most of the time if you have a grip slash stand, put it there. Can't necessarily wireless charge even if you put it all the way down. It's just way too thick. It won't work. If you want to do wireless charge, you have to take this off and then put this on. So a little bit of a hassle. But in this case, just push it down flush. Get your MagSafe. Good to go. And you can still use their MagSafe accessories as well, such as like maybe like a wallet if you want to use that. Technically, this one has a finger loop as well. But you can put a wallet there. This is what it looks like with the wallet on. Let's go ahead and check the strength of this MagSafe magnets. It also depends on the kind of accessory you have. This one has decent magnets. Let's go ahead and put it. So with just regular holding, you're already fine. Let's go ahead and go to the extreme. So up and down, not coming off. Side to side. Shaking it. Let me just see how much you would take. Take it up. That's not even coming off. So yes, good magnets. There, finally. Checking out the fit. Let's go on the side first. Nice and tight. Doesn't really move. It does move a little bit on the buttons, which is understandable. Let's go at the bottom. Tight. Top. Tight. Good fitting case. You also have a cutout there so it doesn't block the speakers. Is it hard or easy to take off? Let's see. Let's start at the bottom first. Okay. Try the top. So for the type of person that changes case a lot, it's easy to take off. Let's compare the magnet strength next to Apple's. Magbak is stronger. You also have those telescoping magnets as well. So this one has good magnets. Anything that's the same or similar to Apple is already good. That's about your nominal base. Anything stronger is better. So Magbak, strong magnets. Now this is not included. It's sold separately. They have several colors. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of a pop. To remove the loop, let's just go ahead and peel this out. Slide this in. The other one. Simple enough. Camera bezel. Buttons. Wow, I do like this one. It just gives it that pop. You got that black matte finish with that red. It just sticks out. Look at that, nice. You got that red, it just pops. Technically, they also have red grips as well too. Then at the bottom here, you have a little dust cover. You can take it off, which helps prevent that dust coming in there. Also, you can use it as a pinky pillow. Got the finger loop, and then at the bottom here, you know, it just rested for long use. It is extra, but it does help. I mean, it prevents the dust from going in there, and you got a little bit of rest in there, a little comfortness. Soft. Small, slight difference. Use a kickstand. You can even watch it portrait. This way as well. You can also mix and match if you. It doesn't have to go all the way red here. For example, you got red buttons, you got the loop, but then black bezels and black on the side. It's up to you. Now, I do prefer like a silicone cloth or maybe an elastic loop grip, so it's not so harsh on your finger. Compared to like a solid ring grip like this one, kind of digs into your finger. It's a lot more comfortable in your fingers. Technically, you can still use a grip. This one still feels better. In case you want to know how much it weighs, it's at 50 grams. The camera bezel does come out fairly easily, so when you're taking off the case, this usually comes out. But once you have the phone here, it's pretty secure. Same for the strap, it comes out fairly easy because there's no phone in the back here. So once the iPhone's in here, it doesn't come out, even if you try to pull it. Also the camera bezel. Is the bezels high enough? Yes, it's slightly higher than the camera lenses. A view from the other side. It does come with this mag stick. See strong magnets too, it makes it pop out. Let's try it on a metal surface. Oh yeah, that sticks. Here you can just hear it. In some cases the bezel does get in the way, so when you're sticking it on, it kind of slides off. But with this one, with the telescoping magnets popping out, you don't have to worry about it. See how that magnet's kind of popping out? And it didn't even hit this magnet on the side here, so if you put it there, it's even more hold. Third-party USB-C connector, no problem. Still got a little bit of gap in there. Attach it on the fridge, no problem. Oh, that's strong magnets too. There, put it on portrait mode. Or use the MagStick magnets, go ahead and put it there. You can wash your dishes. Let's go ahead and install the screen protector. Now, I know the instruction said to put it this way. I feel more comfortable having it sideways. Take this one out, get the alcohol pad. Grab your phone, put it on the tray, make sure it kind of locks in there. This is where you really want to get meticulous. You don't want any dirt, grime, or any dust in there. So just wipe it, take your time. Just making sure that there's no grime or grease in there. Any dust that can get trapped in the screen protector. I'm not going to use the dust removal stickers. I don't see any dust in there. Close the box. Then just pull from here. You only get one shot. Did we do it right? Let's see. Open it up. Got a little bit of bubbles in there, so just go ahead and push. Any bubbling, just go ahead and push it. They said it will go away in a few days. So the screen protector pretty much covers the screen. Did a good job taking our time, wiping down with the alcohol wipe, seeing no dust. As you can see, no more bubbles. Smooth to the touch. Now protect it even more. Let's put it in our case. Now you have an edgeless screen protector because the lip on this case tucks in or overlaps that screen protector, so you don't have any gaps. There's a little bit of space for that speaker so it doesn't block it. Smooth to the touch. Volume button works on and off. Good to go. We got one shot and we took it. Success. So that's your Magbak Elite case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Packed full of features, swappable buttons, camera bezels, finger loop, built-in kickstand to watch your favorite video of portrait and landscape mode, telescoping magnet so you can attach it to metal surfaces. Once again, I want to thank Magbak for sending this product and sponsoring this video. Let us know if you have any question. Subscribe and stay positive.